YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be transforming myself into Holly Madison, the 2000s Playboy icon. I'm so obsessed with her. I just want to be her for a day. We're going to be trying to replicate like her makeup, her hair, her outfits. I have a few outfit options ready. I currently have on my fave Trisha Paytas top. We are going to get dressed out of this shortly because this is not giving 2000s baddie. Firstly, we're just going to undo my hair because I have heatless curls in from last night. I think I've mastered it. Oh god. Oh god. What is that? What is that? Okay, that did come out pretty good. I feel like it's still a bit damp. That's the only thing. It's so hard to get like the dampness, dryness ratio spot on. Oh, that's probably just pulling out the curls. Boom. Okay, so she is still a bit damp, which means the curls will probably just fall out. But nobody's perfect. First, let's do her makeup. So I've got some looks on Pinterest, like this type of glam. It's like, I can't get over her beauty. So as always, I'm going to moisturize my face first because moisturizing is key. I still haven't got my nails done, by the way. I'm getting them done tomorrow, finally. They are beyond outgrown. I've had to like keep gluing the top back down. I cannot believe I've had these on for so long, but they're finally getting fixed tomorrow. And let's use some primer. I don't always use primer, but I feel like her skin just looks so flawless. So I'm gonna use some of this Baby Skin Instant Pore Remover. I don't feel like Holly Madison has a pore. I don't really like primer that much. I don't know if I truly believe in it or maybe I just haven't found the right one. Basically gonna use a pore blurring primer. Let's do some foundation. I'm still running out of this foundation, guys. I've not used it since last week, so hopefully there is still enough left in here. So I know last week I was a bit like down in the dumps, but I felt like after I made that video, I actually like did like a 180 in my mood, and I feel like I just realized so much. I feel like I've just had like a lot of perspective this week, and yeah, I feel like really motivated again. I like streamed last week and I really enjoyed it. So if you were there for my stream, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. And yeah, I'm gonna stream again today. And I'm just like, I feel like I have a new like breath of fresh air. And I'm like, yeah, I can do this. I feel like we always like measure our current success based on like past success or like success of other people, when all we should really be doing is like truly just like living in the moment and being like our most authentic version of ourselves. I'm gonna apply more foundation. I feel like she just has such a flawless base, so I feel like the more foundation, honestly, the better. Okay, now I have my foundation on. Let's do some concealer. As always, the Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm so glad 2000s like hair makeup fashion is back, because I feel like that's just when we peaked in slayness. Like, I wish we could go back to that time. I would love to be a teenager in the 2000s, like clubbing, no mobile phones, like wearing the baddest outfits. Like, oh my god, that would be the dream. I feel like Holly uses quite like a cool toned contour, so I'm gonna go see if I have some kind of cool toned contour shade. Okay, so I have this really old Too Faced palette, but I'm just gonna take like the cool tone shade out of this and just contour my cheeks. So let's go. Wait, I actually need that parcel. Let's go get it. I love how my postman had space buttons. He was giving, this is for my nails to remove these dogs. I always check my Ring doorbell and I'm like, I never answer the door, I'm not gonna lie. Answering the door scares me. I'm now gonna put on some blush. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury blush palette. Obsessed with this shade of blush. She definitely had pink cheeks, so let's slap on the blush. I can't believe there was a time where I didn't wear blush. It's sickening to me. I'm just gonna be quite generous with that. Now that I've got 10 layers of blush on, I'm just gonna set my face. Her face looks quite matte, so I'm going to use quite a lot of setting powder. I am just gonna contour my nose a bit with the same cool toned contour shade. She has such a nice nose. I'm just gonna contour like the sides quite a bit, which I normally don't do. But I feel like her nose is like very slim. And then kind of like shade the end. Next, let's do her eyebrows. Oh my god, you know I said in the last video, I was like, I had like a nub of eyebrow stuff left. Well, I thought I bought the same thing, but I didn't. I bought like this weird ass crayon. So we're gonna have to try and attempt this with this crayon, but I will have to carve out the brow. It is a necessity because this is literally giving thick ass crayon. She does have like pointy eyebrows, so I'm going to attempt this, but I am scared for how that's gonna look. Why am I hunching like this? The most impossible challenge of my entire life with this. Oh my god. What is this slug? Divas, this is a whole slug mess. So I'm basically going to like carve to make it like more pointy. She's giving Angry Bird. Not her, me. Me being she is giving Angry Bird. We can fix this. I think I'm accidentally carved them out too thin, but we'll take it. Anything is better than what we were working with. I think we may have gone too skinny, which isn't usually a problem in the 2000s, but it's a problem right now. Guys, it's giving like worse cartoon than the other video. Oh my god. Okay, let's move on to eyeshadow. She seems like she has like a very signature 2000s like eyeshadow look, which is like a bit of eyeshadow on your eyelids. Well, obviously. I think she likes a bit of a smoky eye, but like not too intense. It seems like she likes the cool tones, so I'm gonna try and attempt to get the cool tones down, not go too much with it. But I'm just gonna do like here. I don't even know what this is called. It does make a tutorial, but doesn't know what things are called. But I'm just gonna go like here on the crease. On the crease. I don't feel like they used to blend eyeshadow as much, so I'm not gonna go like too crazy with the blending. I feel like 2000s was all about like unblended eyeshadow. We're gonna refrain from over blending here. So my camera overheated because I'm too much of a bad bitch. So it's now come back to life. I had to like leave the room, let it just breathe a second and then come back. So no promises it will stay on. I'm just gonna do some of this like light shade here. I'm just gonna put that on the eyelids just like that. I'm gonna do some eyeliner. I don't think she did like a wing, but she did have like eyeliner on her lids. So I'm just gonna do like a thin line on my lids. She also liked eyeliner on her waterline, but like not too intense. So I'm gonna try and replicate that. Take this eyeliner pencil and just do like a really, really thin line. Now I'm gonna go find a lash I think is the most accurate. I do feel like she likes a lash back then that was like a proper strip lash. So I have like this pack of like millions of strip lashes. So I'm gonna give them a go. Okay, just going off of her look, I am gonna intensify the eye just a little bit more. There's like a darker brown shade, the slightly cool tones. So I'm gonna go in with that. I'm also gonna go underneath the eye. Okay, I feel like this is giving. Now onto the lips. I use the same lipstick that I used in my last video, and that is the Maybelline Velvet Beige lipstick. I prefer to use a lipstick than a lip liner. I feel like lip liner always feels so dry. Like not put on too much. Just like that. Then I'm gonna put a gloss on the top using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Oh yes. I feel like I need more blush, so I'm just gonna apply more. We're just gonna put more on. And then I don't really think she used much highlighter, but I feel like in some photos her nose does have like some kind of shine to it. So I am gonna use a little bit of highlighter just on my nose, like on the end here. And not on the bridge, just like literally on the end. And then like really blend that in so it's not like too harsh. I'm gonna use mascara on my bottom lashes, but not too much again. Oh girl, I feel like I chewed. This is the final look. I'm gorgeous. I'm freaking gorgeous. Let's find the perfect outfit, which I think that I have. When I tell you, this is one of my favorite looks I've ever done. I feel so adorable. I have this pink shirt and then this denim skirt. I am going to pair this with my Chanel shoes because I feel like they're like the perfect pumps. It's so hard to get my whole outfit in. I'm obsessed. I do feel like we need a necklace though. I think I'm just gonna wear this outfit with my little pink Tiffany necklace because I feel like that's the vibe. I'm literally obsessed. I feel so cute. I'm literally living my 2000s Playboy Holly Madison fantasy right now. This is my new aesthetic, sorry. I'm wearing this everywhere I go. I'm doing this makeup every time. It's so gorgeous. I've never done my makeup like this. I feel like I'm struggling to get a good video of how good this looks. So just trust me, bro, on this. It's hard to get like a full outfit check, but just trust. It's giving stunning and gorgeous. I just wish Holly Madison would see this. That is my dream. Yes, obsessed, eating down. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I just know my neighbors are looking at me like, who is this weird girl? Today I'm the sexy neighbor. I see an old man over there. Gonna give him a heart attack. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any more suggestions of who I should transform into next or any other looks I should do, then put them in the comments and I will attempt them. I'm feeling crazy. So yes, I hope you like this video and I will see you guys in the next video.